Singtam Tea Estate and Resort is one of the oldest tea estates in Darjeeling, where nature meets heritage in a charming way. So, when the opportunity came to visit a place that has the best of both tea tourism and majestic Kanchenjunga, we simply could not resist. Hello, friends, this is Amrita, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video is about our visit to Singtam Tea Estate and Resort near Darjeeling. Stay tuned till the end of this video for all the detailed information on the place. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and comment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos like this. We boarded the train from Shialda and reached New Jalpaiguri in the morning. We can also fly into Bagdogra Airport. From NJP, we took a car to Darjeeling and then to our destination. Singtam is around 6 kilometers from Darjeeling town and it takes about 20 minutes to reach the place. You can ask the resort to provide a car from either NJP or Darjeeling to take you to the resort. From Darjeeling town, it was a quiet ride through the winding hilly roads that offered some spectacular views of the mountains and tea gardens. We also got a glimpse of the century-old Stenthal tea factory on our way to the resort. Soon we arrived at Singtam Tea Estate and Resort. A beautiful garden and a cobbled path lined with orchids and flowers took us to the main building. As I entered, I could only stare at the place in awe. It took some time to gather my wits after seeing this beautiful place. What caught my eyes, however, was the riot of pink and red hues of the bougainvillea plant. The property is beyond beautiful. It seemed as if time had stopped and we have entered a fairyland. Singtam Tea Estate was established in 1854 by a German priest fondly known as Father Stenthal in the area. He had actually started tea plantation in 1852 at Stenthal Tea Estate. The bungalow was built only in 1862. Quaint bungalow was everything beautiful that one can imagine of. Huge, bright and airy rooms, decor that matched the timeless beauty of the place, and old fireplace and marvelous views of the mountains welcomed us. The resort has only 4 suites, all beautifully decorated, keeping in mind the heritage of the place. All the rooms have mountain views and are spectacular in their own way. Please check the description box for booking link for the resort. We stayed at the Singtam Suite, the oldest room in the resort. The room was huge with a personal fireplace and a beautiful gallery at the end. There is a seating place at one end of the gallery where we would sit down and enjoy the sunset views of the mountain. Singtam Suite is also the only suite that has a private entrance. I could not wait but check where the door led. Once I was out and took a few steps to the right, again I was speechless. The snow-clad Kanchenjunga ranges was right in front of me in all its glory. Tea gardens and Kanchenjunga, nothing can get better than this. The dining area is just beyond the lounge and you can enjoy your meals with views of Kanchenjunga from here. Just beyond the dining area, the door leads to a patio. This is where you get a magnificent and unobstructed views of the Kanchenjunga ranges. Definitely my favorite place in the entire property. The food provided at the resort is strictly vegetarian and majority of the items are produced organically from their gardens. They have a large number of items and you can choose from North Indian, South Indian, Chinese and continental fare. There are also some lip-smacking fusion dishes like pav bhaji dosas, beetroot momos, okra idlis and others. One of my favorite was the stuffed parathas which they made it just in front of us as we were having our dinner. And of course, there is endless quantity of Darjeeling tea, all grown at the tea estate. Our tea started with a sumptuous breakfast at the lawn in front of the bungalow, from where we got a glimpse of the Darjeeling town. Then we went for the tea factory too. The factory is merely 5 to 7 minutes walking distance from the resort. The factory manager explained to us the nuances of processing of tea leaves. It is an extensive method. The tea leaves undergoes the process of withering, rolling, fermenting, drying and sorting before it is ready for the cups. We explored the nearby tea gardens. If you visit during the plucking season, you will see women at work at the gardens. After our return, we were quite happy to do the tea tasting. This is something you must do at Singtom Tea Estate and Resort because you get one of the best experiences here. There was a surprise for us at lunch. We went for a picnic at 360-degree point. True to its name, on a clear day, you will get a panoramic view of the entire Kanchenjunga range, nearby mountains and the tea gardens from here. And it was bright and sunny that day. Just imagine the view which we got. We were quite happy to sit there and have a quiet lunch with the snow-capped peaks giving us company. Amidst the emerald green tea gardens stood cherry trees that were full of pink blossoms. You need to see it to believe how gorgeous the place is. You can also go for small treks at Singtom. There are a few trekking trails in the area. The resort has also a badminton court and facilities for bonfire in the evening. And if you want, you can also take a trip to Darjeeling town from here. Everything can be arranged by the resort. If you want to have the best of mountain views with a dash of heritage and tea tourism in Darjeeling, then Singtom is just the place for you. You literally have 1600 acres of tea estate to explore at your will and enjoy the luxuries of a tea bungalow. And of course, you could enjoy some of the best Darjeeling tea here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Singtom is a fairyland. The place can be an exceptional getaway and your next family holiday destination. Would you like to visit Singtom? Do let us know in comments below. Please like this video, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Until then, goodbye and see you soon.